Hi, my name is Kendra Hill. I'm the business development representative here at JanPro. What I do is generate new qualified business leads by prospecting to potential customers and scheduling qualified meetings. Some of the most common issues that business mention, I want to say the first one is inconsistency, no shows, and they feel like they're paying too much for poor quality cleaning. I think communication is a big factor in commercial cleaning because the customer will have a direct contact, like a direct source to go to with switching over to JanPro. We have JanPro professionals that they can call if they have any issues with their business, if something wasn't done, or if something was even misplaced. They have a direct source that they could contact and reach out to. And that right there would make me want to switch to JanPro. The walkthrough process is very important. Just understanding expectations or any issues. Some things that businesses don't realize that affect the quality and consistency of cleaning is having a checklist, making sure that the checklist is getting checked off every night. A lot of customers can't do that because they're not there when the cleaning crews are there cleaning. So what JanPro provides, we provide a checklist, we provide a direct source that our clients can call as well. I would say tailored cleaning plans matter more due to the fact that every business is different, every business has different needs. You can't really tailor a plan for a dental office that you could tailor for a daycare. What we want here at JanPro, we want our clients to feel like they make the best decision. They're getting exactly what they're paying for: quality services, consistency, and reliability. The best way for the businesses to connect with JanPro in Raleigh would be giving us a call. We're located on Glenwood Avenue. Give us a call, email us, or you could contact me directly at 919-435-4639.